Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making your iPhone ready. Enable iCloud Photos so every image syncs across devices, and choose Optimize iPhone storage if space is tight. Once done, make sure camera can save live photos and that Photos has permissions for third-party apps. This avoids missing imports. You should also clear obvious duplicates or very similar shots now, because fewer files mean faster indexing and better machine suggestions. So act before you import large batches. Once your library is accessible, you organize. Create albums and nested folders, then drag representative photos into each. This keeps navigation quick. You should mark favorites for frequent access, add captions and precise locations to make search reliable, and merge people entries when faces repeat. Also, use memories and the For You suggestions to surface highlights. These machine-learned groups improve over time. If you want automation, create smart rules now and let the iPhone populate them as new photos arrive. To finish, perform final edits. Use non-destructive tools and save as copy when you need alternatives, then set wallpapers or contact photos directly from an album. Once done, export selected images using AirDrop or share an iCloud link for large groups. If something goes wrong, say syncing stalls, first check your Apple ID and iCloud storage, confirm a stable Wi-Fi connection, and restart the Photos app or the device. This simple sequence fixes most problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.